Lezi indaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma hekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli nazi ezinohlonze emini nje.
The situation of our befallen soldiers in the DRC. That's the matter which were forwarded as Parliament to the Defence Force to reflect on it, as this is their responsibility.
Usihlalo weshamthetho sikazwelonke uThokodidiza kanye nosihlalo womkhandlu obhekela izifundazwe uRefile Mtsweni Tsipane babambe isithangami nabezindaba bezolandisa ngamalungiselelo okwethulwa kwenkulumo kaMengameli wezwe kusasa kusihlwe eKapa.
What we are expecting the President to touch on is the issue of space in universities, because many kids have passed their matric but they did not get the space.
Izakhamuzi zakuleli zilindele ukuzwa uMengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa ekhuluma ngezinhlelo zikahulumeni ezehlukene kusasa kusihlwa umethule inkulumo yaminyaka yonke ayibhekise esizweni eKapa.
The soldiers are safe, they are in camp. The priority right now is to repatriate the remains of those who died during conflict last week.
Luzoqala namhlanje uhlelo lokubuyiswa kwezidumo zamasosha kuleli ayi-18 abulawa empini eqhubekayo kwelase Democratic Republic of Congo. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni zehora lokuqala zolimi likaMageba la ku-SABC 1 Mzansi for sure. Igama lami nginguDawood Phungula. Usihlalo weshamthetho sikazwelonke uThokodidiza kanye nosihlalo womkhandlu obhekela izifundazwe uRefile Mtsweni Tsipane babambe isithangami nabezindaba bezolandisa ngamalungiselelo okwethula kwenkulumo kaMengameli wezwe kusasa kusihlwa eKapa.
That has been request that is already public, that are known by yourselves as well, where there had been a request by some parties that maybe the defense need to relook as to how those ceremonial proceedings, in particular by the Defence Force, need to take into consideration the situation of our befallen soldiers in the DRC. That's the matter which were forwarded as Parliament to the Defence Force to reflect on it, as this is their responsibility.
We are pleased to announce that this year, isiXhosa praise singer, Ms. Inago Mateza from the Eastern Cape has been selected to render the praise singing at the State of the Nation address. She is a 19-year-old award-winning Xhosa poet, cultural ambassador, and community activist, renowned for her storytelling and leadership in youth empowerment.
Sisekuludaba lwenkulumo kaMengameli ayibhekisa esizweni ke njengamanje ake sixhumane nentatheli ye-SABC yaseParliament esimkantshubovu uLulama wakaMakya. Lulama, ayisikwamukela ezindabeni zasemini, sicela nje usichazele ukuthi ahamba kanjani amalungiselelo lapha eKapa kadini engalindelwa kule nkulumo kaMengameli uRamaphosa.
Manibulele Dawoti, dibulise nakwabukeli be-SABC. Ndingatsho ndithi izinto zimi ngomumo kusasa besiyokujonga pha kwi-City Hall nalapho intetho engobume yesizwe kaMongameli Cyril Ramaphosa iza kubanjelwa khona. Seyilungisiwe i-City Hall, ibrandiwe ukubonakalisa into yobana iza kuba yindawo eza kusingatha iParlamente xa iqala lonyaka ka-2025. Ukanti namajelo ezendaba osasazo akhona nawo ayabonakala phaya. Namhlanje amagosa aphethe apha eParlamente, uSpeaker uThokodidiza kwakunye nosihlalo we-NCOP uRefile Mtsweni Tsipane bebenendibano nonondaba nalapho bebechaza khona ngamalungiselelo omsitho wangomso. Siyayazi ke into yobana kumsitho ngobume besizwe baye bamenywe ababesakuba ngomongameli belilizwe. Wayesakuba ngumongameli uThabo Mbeki, wayesakuba ngumongameli uJacob Zuma, nokanye kwakunye nowayesakuba ngumongameli uKgalema Motlanthe. Ngokwentetho ke zamagosa eParlamente bathe babalindele ukuba esisithathu sakuba ngomongameli besizwe babe khona kule ntetho. Ukanti ke oyona mbandela le ntetho yesizwe ongqongwe yiyo kukubhubha kwamajoni ayi-14 eDRC. Nalapho ke iqela leDA namanye amaqela ezopolitiko ebecelile kwi-presiding officers eParlamente uMama uThoko Didiza into bana kubekho i-scale down se-military parade. Kulo mbandela ke uSpeaker athi ugqithisele kwi-army ibe yiyo ethatha isigqibo malunga nokwenza ngalonto leyo. Silindele ke ukuba nomongameli Ramaphosa ngomso xa athethe ngalombandela uchaphazela isizwe kuba kaloku ngotata babantu ngobrother babantu baphume emakhayeni ababantu kwaye sisithwa kumbe esesehlele uMzantsi Afrika sokubhubha kwamajoni ayi-14 eDRC. Silindele ke nangakumbi nenye into umongameli ekulindeleke uba angathetha ngaye ngumbandela womthetho odibene nokwequthwa komhlaba. Nalapho athe emva kokuba ewusayinile wagxekwa kakhulu nangamaqela alapha ngaphakathi kwi-GNU emgxeke sithi khanga aconsulte kuwo before atyikitye lo mthetho. Zezo zinto ke phakathi kwezinye esilindele uba umongameli athethe ngazo ngomso ngentsimbi yesi-7.
Sibonga kakhulu yona ke intatheli yezindaba ze-SABC uLulama wakaMaki ayisibikela bukhoma eseKapa. Kusenjalo ihhovisi likaMengameli wezwe ekseni namhlanje libambe isithangami nabezindaba eKapa lapho liphendule khona ngamaphuzu ezindaba ezisematheni ke kulezi insuku ezithinta ukubusa kwezwe njengoba ke kusasa uMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ezokwethula inkulumo yakhe ebhekiswe esizweni.
Kulesi sithangami nabezindaba uVincent Magwenya uhlonze okunye ongamaphuzu azobe eseqhulwini enkulumeni kaMengameli Ramaphosa nokuzobe ngokokuqala nqa ukuthi le nkulumo yethulwe ngaphansi kobuholo obusha bohlelo lukahulumeni wobumbano iGNU.
In the address, the President will outline the task of the Government of National Unity in implementing the 3 strategic priorities of the Medium-Term Development Plan, namely driving inclusive growth and job creation, reducing poverty and tackling high cost of living, and building a capable, ethical and developmental state.
Udabeni lwamasosha aseningizimu Afrika ajutshelwe ukuyoqapha ukuthula eDRC. uMagwenya uthe iyadukisa imbono yalabo abathi amasosha ajutshwe ukuze ayovikela imayini ukuhlomula kuza abaholi abathile abaphezulu.
When was the first time South Africa had presence of troops in the DRC? If my counting is correct, it's been 20 years now. It began through our contribution to the UN peacekeeping force in the DRC, and that was during the later years of the Mandela administration, if you'll recall. That's how far back.
Maqondana nestatement esikaMengameli waseMelika uDonald Trump ngeinsolo zokudliwa komhlaba wabamhlophe uhulumeni wakuleli, uMagwenya uthe bazokwazi ukusingatha lolu daba ngendlela efanele.
There will be more engagements, not only with the Trump administration and influential figures such as Elon Musk, currently in the US, but with other role players as well in the US, and those engagements will take place at multiple levels.
Izakhamuzi zakuleli ezilindele elikhulu enkulumweni ezokwethulwa nguMengameli wezwe eyethulela ke isizwe kusasa.
Ngoba nje wengamele elakuleli uCyril Ramaphosa ezokwethula inkulumo akazobe ibhekise ezweni kusasa, izakhamuzi zakuleli kuningi futhi kuhlukene ezekulindele kule nkulumo. Wayne Minaro wasebenza iminyaka engaphezulu kwengamashumi eminyangweni wamaphoyisa kaMasipala eGoli noseneminyaka esihambile. Uthulindele ukuthi bazonakekelwa kanjani abantu asebegugile ikakhulukazi labo abalisebenzele lakuleli.
What I like to hear is that the senior citizens get taken care of, because getting old is a reality, and for the elderly who have done their part for their families and for having served the country, as in my case, been on duty 7 days a week, every day, and performing my function, and then now ending up at Frederick Place, a home for the aged, is where I never thought would happen so quickly.
Nduleka kwekhala zokufunda ezikhungweni zemfundo eziphakeme kanye nokwentuleka kwamathuba emisebenzi ezinye zezinto ezikhathaza izakhamuzi zakuleli.
The president to touch on is the issue of space in universities because many kids have passed their matric but they did not get the space.
Funa avulele imisebenzi amanzi ayekuvalwa ku villages.
Lengameli wezwe ebhekwe ngabomvu uzoyethula makubumbana ihora lesikhombisa kusihlwa kusasa. Silindo kuhle ngidi eindabeni ze-SABC.
Umholi we-Democratic Alliance uJohnston Hazen uchaze kabanzi ngase bekwenzile kanye nabasahlela ukwenza ngaphansi kukahulumeni wobumbano nokuzokwelekelela kuleli ekuthuthukisweni komnotho.
While the DA is delivering growth and jobs in the portfolios that we are controlling, we continue to push the ANC and other parties to embrace with urgency the economic reforms that South Africa desperately needs. There's sadly been an amazing lack of emergency and urgency, and we are pushing the ANC to implement pro-growth, pro-job reforms through the medium-term development plan process, and we have compelled the President to announce reforms during a State of the Nation address, and we want to see these things within the SONA. We believe that we need greater fiscal discipline and debt management. The money we have to spend paying for our debt as a country is reducing and crowding out the money that we need for the essential services. GNU needs to do a number of things. Firstly, it should commit to a credible plan to reduce government debt and then stick to it. It's the sticking to it part that is actually the most important.
Usihlalo wekomiti lezokuvikela eParliament uMalusi Gigaba uthi luzoqala namhlanje uhlelo lokubuyiswa kwezidumbu zamasosha kuleli ayi-14 abulawe empini ngamavukela mbuso eM23 empumalanga yase-Democratic Republic of Congo. Ungqongqoshe wezokuvikela uAngie Motshekga kanye nabakhuzi bombutho wezokuvikela bebevele ngaphambi kwaleli komiti.
Ngemuva kokuphalala kwegazi kwamasosha akuleli ajutshwe empumalanga yase-Democratic Republic of Congo, usihlalo wekomiti lezokuvikela eParliament uMalusi Gigaba uthi okwamanje kunozinzo enkanjini okukhosele kuyo amasosha akuleli kanti okumqoka manje ukuphuthumisa uhlelo lokubuyisa izidumbu zamasosha aphangalala.
The soldiers are safe, they are in camp. The priority right now is to repatriate the remains of those who died during conflict last week, to attend to those who are injured.
Ugigaba uthi amasosha akuleli athelwa amachaphazelo kulempi.
The information is that the Congolese soldiers fired towards the direction of Rwanda, but they were behind our camp. And so Rwanda thought that it was us who were firing towards them. It was in the course of that when we had already suffered casualties, because when the firing started, we seemingly were unaware and therefore unprepared.
Ubese ecacisa ngokuthi empeleni amasosha akuleli ajutshwe DRC njengengxenye yethimba lenhlangano yezizwe elijutshelwe ukugcina uzinzo kanye nokuvikela izakhamuzi.
There are various countries which are also implicated. There is a lot of politics and history that is behind all of the conflict that's taking place. We are there to maintain and keep the peace and to protect the civilians in the case of attack.
Umbiko uSinethemba Dlamini wezindaba ze-SABC.
Bukele sathi qhu ezitolo kanti uma sibuya sizokuphathela uWT.
Our team is hard at work. We've been here almost now 4 to 5 hours that we have been in this crime scene, and we believe that we'll find the suspect.
Amaphoyisa aseLimpopo athungatha umsolwa ngemva kwesigameko sokudutshulwa kubulawa iphoyisa emzini walo eStern Plus ngaphandle kwaseLebohong. Sikubingelele sikwamukele uma ngabe usanda ngena odabeni oluphambili besibeka ukuthi Usomlomo wesishayamthetho sikazwelonke uThoko Didiza kanye nosihlalo womkhandlo obhekela izifundazwe uRefilwe Mtsweni Tipane babambe isithangami bezindaba bezolandisa ngamalungiselelo okwethulwa kwenkulumo kaMengameli wezwe kusasa kusihlwa eKapa. Bukele sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ngena kuzo uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzosithola kunjalo bazo. Wonke amehlo azobe ethenjo kuMengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa uma ngabe sethule inkulumo ebhekwe ngabomvu ayibhekise ebantwini bakulelizwe. Intatheli yeziko lezindaba zeSABC uCalvin Dludla ubesemjondolo eBoysens eyolumana indlebe nezakhamuzi ezasala zingondingasithebeni ngesonto ledlule ngenxa yokusha kwemjondolo yazo.
Sikubingelele sikwamukele indabeni zosuku uMengameli kusasa uzobe ekhuluma nezwe yini oyilindele ukuthi ayiphawule kakhulukazi entweni ezithinta izindlu.
Ya ndilindele into bana entweni ezithinta izindlu akhona ukuthi asitshene ukuthi uzosokhela asitshintshe asisuse kule ndawo ngoba le ndawo irisk for ukuphila abantu phezulu kuba irisk kuyasha kwenzeka izinto ezininzi so xa ngaba ngasincedisa uMongameli njengoba nathi siye sikhona ukuba senze uncedo xa kuthiwa kuyavota senze ukuba sivote singakhona uba sibe sendaweni esifu asisize ngoba kuyo yonke lenkinga sekuyo ayo ndawo enani niyabona ukuthi ayo ndawo ufama kuphila abantu manje ngendaba enhlupheko siyaphila kuyo
khona la utohoza khona
akukho lapho intohoza khona ntohoza nje ngokucocha amaphepha la.
Okay baba sibonge kakhulu ngekhathi sakho sethemba ukuthi uMengameli uzokuzwa ngizocela nje uza kwethu uMoshaba ukuthi ke akutshengise lemfucuza egcwele la ukuthi ke ngempela insalela noma okwasala ngesikhathi kusha uzobabona nje othayila sebemnyama bhuqe abanye ke abasalungiseka abanye noma bezama ukubathatha bazama ukubalungisa ukuthi bakhe kabusha imizi yabo asebehlale kuyo ke iminyaka kodwa ke akulungisa sikhulume nomunye ke ubaba ochazele iSABC ukuthi yena unezingane eziyishumi-15 15 eziyisikhombisa zazo ihlala kule mjondolo ezinye sezize inezingane ayisebenzi ngakho ucela ukuthi uMengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa abalekelela ngokuthi ke akhele izingane zakhe izindlu aziphe nomsebenzi khona zizokwazi ukuthi imondle ngoba ke usemdala igama lami nguCalvin wakwaDludla endabeni zeSABC ngibika ngisegoli.
Sibonga kakhulu yona ke intatheli yezindaba zeSABC uCalvin Dludla kanti masihlabela phambili basale Dengwane futhi abagibeli bamabhasi eRea Vaya njengoba le nkampani isimisa ukusebenza kwamabhasi ayo namhlanje ngemva ke kokudutshulwa kubulawa abashayeli balamabhasi ababili kuleli sonto.
Basale bekheqile namhlanje kuseni abagibeli abasebenzisa amabhasi Rea Vaya eGoli njengoba bebelinde amabhasi angazange efike. Izolo lenkampani yamabhasi memezele ukuthi kuzoqhubeka ukusebenza kwawo kepha ibe isithi ukusebenza kusazothukuma kancane.
Thina abagibeli baka Rea Vaya sihlukumezeke kakhulu because manje mangithi ngiyabheka mangithi ngiyakhawunta imali ethamba ngayo emsebenzini manje it's too much because ibhasi belingcono shem isihamba boma 10:50 belingcono ibhasi kakhulu manje sithuke kakhulu ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani lakho for ukuthi abasekho safe nabo so angeke baze ba risk impilo zabo because of abantu so nje sihlukumezeke kakhulu shem.
Ukusebenza kwalamabhasi kumisiwe osukwini la izolo ngemuva kokudutshulwa kubulawa abashayeli ababili esigamekweni ezahlukene eSoweto ngomsombuluko. Ayikho inkomba ukuthi ukusebenza kwamabhasi Rea Vaya kuzoqhubeka nini.
Amaphoyisa aseLimpopo athungatha umsolwa ngemva kwesigameko sokudutshulwa kubulawa iphoyisa emzini walo eStern Plus ngaphandle kwaseLebohong.
The information that we have at this moment is that the member came from work and as he get into the house that time in the morning whether the intruder was inside it's what we are not sure of, but as he got into the house then he was shot at. The intruder went to open the bedroom and then searched, took some laptops and took some phones and then We then left. That's what the wife of the deceased is telling us. So our team is hard at work. We have been here almost now 4 to 5 hours that we have been in this crime scene, and we believe that we'll find the suspect. The killing of a police officer, we view it as very serious. In the light of what has happened here, the team that we have assigned is already working on some preliminary information that we're having, which we believe that will update the nation as to what transpired later that day.
Namhlanje kuhlangana iminyaka eyisishiyagalolunye kwenzeka inhlekelele yokuphangalala kwezisebenzi zaseleli mine ezintathu eMpumalanga. Imindeni yalezi izisebenzi ikhala ngokuthi ayikho imizamo eseyenziwa ukukhipha izidumbu emathunjini omhlaba kuze kube manje.
I-Action SA iyaqhubeka nokuzama ukuphoqa ukuthi kukhishwe izidumbu zalezisebenzi ezavaleleka emathunjini emayini iLily Mine. uPriti Nkambule, uYovon Mnisi noSolomon Nyirenda babengaphakathi ngesikhathi imayini ibhidlika ngo-2016 kanti namhlanje kuphela iminyaka eyisishiyagalolunye lesigameko senzeka.
Well, this is not the first time that these three families have suffered. As you are aware, 6 years ago when they came to camp after being told that the container cannot be retrieved, but they were wondering how come illegal mining was happening, but in the meantime they were told that the container cannot be retrieved. Then they decided to come and say, look, we're going to retrieve the container ourselves, and unfortunately they were stopped.
Lemndeni ikhathazekile ukuthi kungani kungenziwa imizamo yokukhipha laba njengoba kwenziwa ngababemba ngokungemthetho eStilfontein, bona bafuna nje ukuqhubeka nempilo bathole nokuthula.
uPresident into lena ngibhekile kuwe nale ngifuna ukuthi ayenze ukukhulumeni kwakhe akakhulume ngomsebenzi awenze lokuthi athumele imishini babuye bokukhipha labantu abethu.
Ngameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa ezokwethula inkulumo ayibhekise esizweni kusasa, lemindeni ilindele ukuthi ayibalule neyokuthi bazokhishwa nini abathandiweyo babo.
Bukela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uyalandela emva kwekhefu. Bukela izaguqa izindaba zehora lokuqala sizobuya nezinye izindaba uma libumbana ihora lesikhombisa kusihlwa usale kahle.